guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to my blog, and to those who is new here on my channel, please subscribe and watch for my video. And today's blog is all about cooking. So let's begin, guys. I will show you something. I baked some sponge cake, or it called sockerkaka in Swedish. So look at that, guys, with a little design. And the next one, but next time, guys, I will show you about the recipe for that, or how it bake. But today's dinner is we cook chicken. It is chicken adobo, and chicken adobo using Mamacita's adobo mix. So this is that. I tried this before, but I will it's been a while since we cook chicken adobo, so I will cook this for today's dinner. So we will see how it is. And of course, I have this one. It's like Knorr, or like chicken cube, guys. So I will just use one and just add for the taste. So I have prepared some ingredients like garlic and black pepper, and also, guys, we're gonna have some spring rolls. This spring rolls is vegetable spring rolls, and I will cook this one in our frying, and this is like air fry, so you don't need to use any oil. So you can just put it there, and you can just choose which one you want. Like if you cook some, I hope you guys can see it. If you cook some chips, so you will put it in 200 degrees. And if you cook some spare ribs, then you will put it like 180 degrees. And it says also how many minutes until it's finished. And here, if you can cook some prawns or shrimp. So it's really good, guys, because it says that you can see here, and you can see the direction, or how to use this air fryer. And you can also cook the cupcakes, or you can bake the cupcake in here. So it's good, like if you fry some chips or chicken or fish, so if you don't want to use some oil, frying oil, so it's better if you have like this, guys, air fryer, so you can use it without any oil, so you will avoid the fat or oil. So this one, the spring rolls, I will cook that one in there later. So for this one, you can just put it inside, and I can put it on the chips. And here you can cook also a chicken drumstick, or a steak, or a fish. So that was really good. So I can leave it here. So later I will show you guys how we use that one. So today I gonna begin to put on the fire. And of course, guys, for the little boy, I will cook like meatballs. So We will see, guys. I will begin to cook. So now I will just use a butter. And see, I put on the fire and use a butter instead of oil. So we will see. And look at this, guys. I have the butter, that one. So I can use this to cook instead of oil. This is cooking butter. So you can just get a little and put it. I already turned on the fire. So I will show you guys. So guys, now I will put the chicken. Look, I already cut them. So I will put them into the pan. So I put a little butter, and then we will wait until the water from the chicken will be out or will be getting dry before I add the garlic. I already chopped some garlic in here, and of course I prepare some salt and black pepper just to add some taste. Hi guys, I'm back. Now I'm cooking the chicken, and we're gonna wait until it's become dry. I just want to remove the water from the chicken. So we will have some chicken adobo and spring rolls, and of course rice, and we can garnish that later with a peanut, like roasted peanut. So as you can see, guys, it's almost different color. So the water came out right now. So we will wait until it's all get dry. Or if you don't want to wait, guys, you can just remove the water or throw it. Like, wait a minute, I can just throw the water here. So I remove the water. So, and of course I have the garlic. So I don't add them before because I want the water will remove first before I put the garlic. This is my own version, guys. So now the water is getting less, so I can add the garlic. Then later when it gets dry, more drier, so I can add little butter so the chicken will not stuck on the pot. So I'm sure I can recommend that you can use this kind of product from Mamacita's. This is the Philippine product that I buy in the Asian store. So I'm sure that I can recommend you this, guys. This is really good. And it says Mamacita's adobo mix. So here in Sweden, we find this in the Asian store. So maybe it's good if you try, to those who didn't try yet. But some of us, like, we can just use the way that we do or cook in Philippines. When we cook the adobo, we can just use like soya or soy sauce, vinegar or with garlic and something else. And can also add some egg. This is the Filipino dish. And many who's using with this one. So guys, I will add, but I will just add for now half of them. Wait a minute, guys, I will show you. I can add a little, like half of them first, and I will see if I want some more. And of course, I can add some black pepper to give more taste. So you can see, guys, it's a lot of black pepper. And of course, a little salt. So to those who is from another country, and I'm sure it's always good to try different kind of food from another country too. So many who, like most of the foreigner or people who visit Philippines or either here, they like adobo. So I hope everyone likes it. It's very simple and it's delicious. And you can add some cubes if you want. It depends on the taste. And after a while, I will add some water. I can add, it depends how much I want. It depends how much the chicken is. So to have some sauce. So I will wait for a while and cover it. So guys, I hope everyone will like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and like on my YouTube channel, Amie's Family Blog, and don't forget to click the bell notification, so you can follow the next video that I gonna put. Anyway guys, it was snowing outside before, but outside you cannot see right now. But outside is white because of the snow. There's a lot of snow outside and it was so cold. But I love it when there is a snow because it's more lighter outside. You can see guys, my flower is my orchids has no flower yet. And this one is getting dry too. So I think I need to cut them. And after the winter, then it will be better. So that is my collection, all orchids. So we will go back to the chicken. Now it's boiling. I can put it in the high fire and see. I can add some thing to make it thicker. Then after a while, I'm gonna cook some rice and then the spring rolls. So please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much. I mix some little water and flour so I can add it on the chicken. So there I have the settings on the kitchen, on the table already. So we will taste this for a while, how it is. So we are 4 person who gonna eat some dinner. So we have the gas and it's like the boy will gonna eat don't eat chicken, so I make for him some meatballs. Hi guys, I'm back. So now I will show you again the chicken, and it's almost done, but I'm gonna leave it until it's simmer for a little while. So there it is. So there's the chicken adobo that I cook for today. So it's boiling and I add more black pepper